How to put EBT on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put EBT on Cash App. So first of all, just open your Cash App on your smartphone and just log into your account. And here on the home screen, just click on the profile icon at the top right corner and just scroll down and click on linked banks and click on link debit card and then no card. And here just click on link your bank account, continue. And here on the search bar, just search for EBT and just click on California Electronic Beneficial Transfer. You can see that the connectivity is not supported. So as per till date, you cannot put EBT on Cash App. If you still want to connect your EBT to your Cash App, you have to talk to the customer support and just tell them your problem, and they will get back to you and tell you how you can put your EBT on Cash App. So this is how you will be able to put your EBT on your Cash App. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.